Okay, beautifuls. How are you? Hope you're doing very fine. So let's talk about this hairstyle that is called afro bulk twist. What I love about afro bulk twist is that most of the traditional afro hairstyles with chunky twister. It involves creating large voluminous twists in natural hair, resulting in a striking and textured look that makes natural hair texture and volume. It can be a bold and stylish look, offering good volume. It is achieved by twisting bigger section of the hair. As you can see, I've started with 3 strands, then I'm using water so that it can come out very smooth. And for me, I use water instead of oil. There are people use cream. For me, I've used water so that it can come so chunky and it becomes so chunky and to appear naturally, so this I do it, have partitioned it in a big chunk like that. I'm using sedoso braiding gel as usual. Sedoso braiding gel is my best. It comes out clean. It has olive oil. It brings the hair firm, and it holds the hair firm. So I'm doing like this, pinching out the hair so that it can have a good ending, so that it doesn't, because I've cut the hair into four. I've sectioned the braid into 4 so that it can fit the hair, so that it cannot become longer. It can become short the size of the hair. So I'm going to fix it on the scalp like that, then do it with 3 strands, as you can see, making sure that my fingertips are still on the scalp until I make 3 to 4 stitches. Then into the process of doing that, I divide it into 2. I love this hairstyle because it's a protective hairstyle. So after I've divided into 2, I twist it like that downwards. They say anti-clockwise. I twist like that. I place some little bit of water, not a lot of water to be dripping on your client's hair. It should be like small water, then twist it close to each other like that. But you can, if you don't want, you cannot twist it close to each other. You can make it loose. For me, I made it a little bit firm. And then I made sure that I've finished till the end. This bulky twister is a very good hairstyle. After some time, you can undo it. After 2 to 3 months, use a hair conditioner to smoothen. Make sure the hair conditioner is not sensitive to your scalp. Make sure the hair conditioner is not sensitive to your scalp. Why choose afro bulk? For me, I would say afro bulk embraces the culture and allows for versatile styling options. It's a bold and beautiful way to express confidence. Also, it brings out a very beautiful shape. Afro bulk brings the natural look. It is rough texture. It's not that smooth. It's a good one to choose if you want a natural look with afro bulk. If you want to strengthen your hair, if you want to straighten your hair, you want to make it also long, you can do it. So without further ado, please don't forget to subscribe as you continue watching and learning how to fix afro bulk and how to go about it, how to twist. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment on the section bar so that I can be able to upload, get motivated. And thank you for those who have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed and you're still watching my video and learning through my videos, please kindly I'm requesting you to subscribe and please like and comment something positive. Let's stay positive, let's stay focused on this week. Have a beautiful week ahead and a beautiful Wednesday. So good night, keep in touch, bye bye.